Hello guys, today we are going to show that sec inverse of z is equals to I over I, as in 1 over I, ln 1 plus the square root of 1 minus z squared over z. Now, you have to remember that sec inverse of z is given by w, whereby you can still say sec w is equals to z, and you have to remember that sec w is the same as 1 over cos w. Sec w is equals to 1 over the cosine of w. Now, you have to remember also that cos w is given by exponential iw plus exponential negative iw all over 2. Now at this point you can write your expression in this form: sec w is equals to 1 over cosine w is equals to 2 over eiw plus e negative iw is equals to this z here. Now we can deal with these two. We'll have 2 over eiw plus e negative iw is equals to z. Multiplying the left hand side and right hand side by eiw plus e negative iw, you will get 2 is equals to z into brackets eiw plus e negative iw. Now you can distribute z to this bracket. You will have 2 is equals to z eiw plus z e negative iw, like that. Now at this point you have to remember that eiw negative e negative iw is the same as 1 over eiw. Now where we have e negative iw, we replace it with this. We'll have 2 is equals to z eiw plus z all over eiw, like that. Now we can multiply everything by eiw. You'll have 2 eiw is equals to z eiw squared. So you'll have 2iw plus z. Now at this point you have to rewrite this expression in form of quadratic. You will have z e2iw, then you put 2iw to the right hand side to be a negative 2eiw plus z is equals to 0. Now from the quadratic equation, x is given by negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now our x is eiw, and our a is given by z, our b is negative 2, and our c is z. Now applying the quadratic formula, you'll have eiw is equals to negative b, which is negative 2. We'll have 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared is 4 minus 4ac. 4 multiplied by a multiplied by 4 times z, we'll have 4z squared divided by 2z like that. Now at this point, because we need w, we'll have EIW is equals to, we can factor out 4 from this root. We'll have 2 plus 4 root 4 root 1 minus z squared all over 2z. Now at this point, root 4 is 2, so we'll have 2 plus 2 root 1 minus z squared all over 2z. You can simplify these two, whereby you will have 1 plus the square root of 1 minus z squared all over z, EIW. Because we need w, you have to introduce natural logs. So you'll have ln EIW is equals to the ln of, into bracket, 1 plus root 1 minus z squared all over z. Now the ln of e cancels out, so we'll have IW is equals to ln 1 plus root 1 minus z squared all over z. From there you can divide everything by I. Therefore our w is equals to 1 over I ln into bracket 1 plus root 1 minus z squared all over z. Now our w is sec inverse of z. Therefore sec inverse of z is equals to 1 over I ln 1 plus the square root of 1 minus z squared all over z. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe for the next videos. Thank you.